Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today is Friday. I just got home. I just got off work. So we're gonna do like spend a Friday night in with me, because we're about to be doing some self-care. It's time for some maintenance, my at-home maintenance. So yeah, first things first, I'm about to take me some supplements, because y'all, I have not taken my supplements today, and I've been doing pretty bad with that. So we're about to take some supplements. I have like different types of vitamins in here. I have a multivitamin, a probiotic. I have a magnesium pill, allergy pill, vitamin B, and I need some more iron pills. So we're gonna have to get some iron pills. Okay, so the plans tonight is I need to go out to actually get some like products for my maintenance at home and like self-care. So we're gonna go to Target. I really want to get me some more wax strips, because I need to wax my lip, I need to wax my chin, and then I kind of want to do some foot care tonight. I have a foot mask that I got from, I believe it was Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of the two. Y'all know they about the same. So I got the foot mask from one of those stores. So I think I'm gonna do a foot mask tonight. And then y'all, I was gonna go to Sephora, but I don't feel like doing it tonight. So I'm gonna get some eye mask from Target. I'm gonna see what they got, and I might do like a little face mask. So yeah, that's the plans. Going to Target and then come back here and just get ready for the night. Like, I just really want to relax this weekend. I really do want to relax. So yeah, we're gonna head to Target, and I'm gonna change out of these clothes, put on something comfy that's giving very much running errands vibe. So yeah, girl, I just wanted to come on and say what's popping and tell y'all the vibes and what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once we get to Target. And I think I'm also gonna get some teeth whitening strips, because I really want to start whitening my teeth again. I haven't done that in a little minute, so I kind of want to do that again. So yeah, we're just gonna see what the vibes Target has for us. So yeah, I will see y'all once we get to Target.
Christmas is canceled, and you can't cancel a holiday. Give it up, Stanley, and you will lose New Year's. What does that mean? Jim, take New Year's away from Stanley.
Michael, what's going on?
Bad bitches to the left, money bitches to the right. You can be both, meet in the middle, dance all night. Take it all off, or just a little if you like. It's pure. It should cost $1 billion to look this good, but she can kill it easy cause she got it. Check my technique. You can find the one when the tempo good. Wanna touch my technique? 4, 3, 2, fucking busy. That's my technique. That's my technique. That bitch, me too. Right and left cheek. Ideas, my dear. That's my technique. All my pretty girls to the floor. Get your money, hunty, hunty. Don't be funny, my money, honey. My girls look so yummy, yummy. All the boys want my honey from me. It should cost $1 billion to look that good, but she make it look easy cause she got it. You can find the one when the tempo's good.